Hello again. Here we are with the last of our 6 healing sound exercises. Today we do the exercise for the kidney chi. An easy exercise, although with this one you have to go down a little bit. And just a word of caution, just do what's comfortable, because I'm going down a little further, but there is no need to do that if that is not comfortable for you. So you just adjust. You do what feels right for you, and whenever something would cause pain, just don't do it. The other thing with this exercise is there's something going on in the back. And of course you don't see what it is. I show it first before we do the exercise together. What you do is first you open, then you close, very similar to the other exercises, and then you make relaxed fists. Like always, the thumb is inside the other fingers, so you make that relaxed fist, and the fists come up here. They come up here, and then you move the hands down and you open the fists. So nothing really difficult, just that you know what you have to do. Yeah, and everything is similar or the same like with the other exercises. We have a beginning, we have an end, and we have a sound. Sound as usual, you do not say it loudly, you only think it. It's in your imagination, and you use the sound while breathing out through the mouth. Okay, so ready to roll. Stand in a comfortable position. Relax your legs or the big joints in your legs. Relax the arms. Relax your thoughts. So think something nice, or try not to think at all, which is a little bit more difficult. Relax your breathing. And we start with the beginning. That's this position. Just stay in this position for a little while. Use it as a position to even further relax. Then we start moving. Breathe in. Breathe out. Make these relaxed fists. Breathe in. Open the fists. Breathe out. It goes like this. Then come here to the waist. Breathe in. And breathe out. So that's the movement, and now with the sound, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, and now comes the sound. The sound is CHWAY. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Make the fists. Breathe in. Breathe out with CHWAY. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. Out. In. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out through the mouth with CHWAY. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe in. And breathe out. Put the feet together. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Put the hands on the belly, on the dantian. Close your eyes, concentrate there just a little bit. And then you drop your hands. Yeah, that was the last of the 6 healing sounds now. In the order of things, this one comes after the exercise for the spleen and before the exercise for the heart. And of course you can practice it alone too. Usually one doesn't have to be so precise, but usually these exercises are done with 6 repetitions. So every sound you repeat 6 times, but do not be too particular about that. Do everything in a relaxed way. The sound once more is CHWAY, CHWAY, and you do it while you're gliding down with the backs of your palms behind the legs, on the backs of the legs you go down, and only as far as it's comfortable. So you just go down, even if it's just a little bit, and then you bring the hands to the waist, make these fists, and breathe out. So simple and easy. And now we have all the single exercises. We will in the future put together a video also with all the 6 sounds, with all the 6 exercises combined together. Yeah, till then, see you then.